We have the Oraimo Freepods Lite earpod, and I think it should be the light version of all the Oraimo Freepods series. What caught my eye about the earpod is the 40 hours of playtime, which we are going to test in this review. In this video, we are going to talk about the features, design, sound quality, battery, and a lot more. The Oraimo Freepods Lite is currently sold for around 11,000 naira on Oraimo eShop website. If you love discount, then make use of my promo code GEEKDELINO to get a 5% discount. I'll also leave a link to the product page in my description below. Let the geek dive in. I'm skipping the unboxing of this device. If you want to see what's inside the box, check the video right here. Now let's talk about the design and build quality. The design of the Oraimo Freepods Lite is eye-catchy and comes in 3 colors: Ice Lake Blue, Nebula Blue, and Phantom Black. Currently, I have the Phantom Black. The design of the earpods charging case is similar to the Oraimo Freepods Pro case, and the beauty of the earpods is the fact that it is transparent. Thank you if you have watched the video till this point, and don't forget to like and subscribe. On the charging case, the earpods is located under and the reset button is located on the right side. The design is unique and stands out from other Oraimo earpods. When it comes to design and build quality, Oraimo takes its time to give the best. Each earpod does not come with an indicator to show it's active, which might get you confused if the earpod is working or not. The Freepods Lite has an in-ear design, which most people might find cool. The best way to know if it's working is to look at the indicator on the charging case. Once you open the charging case and it flashes green, it means it is active and ready to use. Now, let's talk about the sound quality. When it comes to sound quality, the Freepods Lite did a great job. It's equipped with iBars technology, which comes with immersive listening experience. The earpods fit perfectly into the ear and you shouldn't feel any pain while wearing them for a long time. The Freepods Lite also work with the new Oraimo Sound app, which allows users to fine-tune their listening experience to their taste. For the call quality, the earpods are not really my favorite in that aspect, but while I was making calls with it, my friends could hear me very well. So what do you think about the sound quality? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Alright, so what do you think about the sound quality? The Freepods Lite comes with Bluetooth version 5.3, which means you get a stable connection. Coming to the controls, it features a touch control on each earpods. These controls allows you to adjust volume, answer calls, and use voice assistance without touching your phone. There's something cool about the Oraimo Sound app, which allows you to customize touch controls for each earpods. Now, when it comes to connectivity, we can't ignore latency for the earpods. It comes with a low latency while gaming, which is a must for most gamers. On the Oraimo Sound app, you can turn on game mode, which gives you low latency. The earpods comes with 40 hours of playtime, which gives you more reason to enjoy your favorite music or podcast anytime. Each earpods comes with 40 mAh battery and 500 mAh on the charging case. I made use of the earpod for more than 40 hours. This is due to reducing the volume and not playing music or receiving call for some time. The earpods takes about 2 hours to get full, and I love the fact that it comes with anti-fast technology. The earpods comes with 2 mic environmental noise cancellation technology that eliminates noise around you while making calls or listening to music. ENC technology was used on this earpod to save more power while using the earpod. The earpod comes with IPX4 water resistance, which you can use while workouts and while in the rain. You shouldn't leave it in water for too long to avoid spoiling any components. Is the Oraimo Freepods Lite worth it? I would say it beats other earpods within the price range in terms of features and long hour of playtime. If you're looking for affordable earpods with good battery life, then you should consider it. If you're looking for something higher and much better, I would suggest Oraimo Freepods 4. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like, and if you want to see more reviews, kindly subscribe. Peace.